SD9263SS 183 Energy Star Portable Dishwasher, stainless steel. This stylish and modern portable 183-inch Energy Star dishwasher is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Beautiful exterior will make any kitchen feel upgraded, along with powerful cleaning capabilities inside. For the ultimate dishwashing appliance, the spacious cavity loads up to 8 standard place settings for all the family dishwashing needs. This unit can quick connect to any kitchen faucet and eliminates the hassles for direct plumbing or permanent installation. Easy controls allow for customization of wash cycle depending on your family's needs. In addition, this unit is Energy Star rated for the most energy cost-efficient dishwashing year-round features and functions. Capacity 8 place setting. 6 wash programs: heavy, normal, eco, glass, 90 min, rapid. Rinse aid warning indicator, refill reminder on rinse aid. Stainless steel interior. Time delay feature allows you to program operation at a later start time, 1 to 24 hours. Error alarm displays fault codes. Rinse aid warning indicator, refill reminder on rinse aid. Stainless steel interior. Adjustable upper rack to accommodate larger plate spots. Faucet adapter included for quick and simple connection. Automatic detergent and rinse agent dispenser. Energy Star note: our faucet adapter fits standard sized aerator openings for both male and female connections. Size: male 15 163, female 55 643. As long as your faucet has a removable aerator, it should be able to connect. The faucet adapter specifications: input voltage 120 V, 60 Hz, energy consumption 237 kWh per year, water consumption 265 gallons, power consumption 1000 W, noise level normal 52 decibels, drying system: residual heat drying, drain tube length 3 feet, unit dimension 17643 W x 23633 D x 35633 H, depth with door fully open 46.5 inches, package dimension 22753 watts x 29253 D x 393 H, net weight 114 pounds. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.